My name is Marcellino. I've been with Greystar 8 years now. I'm basically in charge of anything maintenance related.
My name is John Bacon. I've been with State Chemical for 33 years next month. They had a major issue with pot, smoke, pet odor throughout the hallways. Their ratings from their customers was under 10%. The previous manager and super started with 2 fragrance centrals to try it out in the lobby. They liked it. And then they proceeded to try 10 in one of the buildings. Like that, the reviews went from under 10% to plus 90%. The next year, they asking for 28, and each floor has its own HVAC unit that I install, program, and service every other month, 4 months.
Oh, it definitely makes it easier. I mean, he's great. We trust him. He's got key to the city, you know what I mean? Like, he comes in, he does his thing, like, helps us out a lot because we don't have to worry about that anymore.
The new property manager came, she wanted to switch it up to Citrus Straight Tea, and then when I showed them Wild Bamboo, like everyone was stronger, and it's very effective.
The scent, they love it. The smell, I mean, like I told them before, like they notice when it's changed, like the scent is different, so they definitely like it.